Hello everyone, my name is Romeo and welcome to the EdTech Explorer. And for today's video, this is a raw video or unedited video. Okay, so I will do my best to make this tutorial a very quick one. I just want to share to you one of the AI tools that I am enjoying right now, or one of the AI tools that I enjoy using right now for my work productivity, and it's called the Notebook LM. All right, so if you want to utilize the Notebook LM, all you have to do is just to open your browser, log into your Google account, and you can go to the Google Apps like so, and you can scroll down and look for Notebook LM. Okay, so if you're going to click on the Notebook LM, it should let you land on this web page. Okay, on the Notebook LM home page. And just to give you an idea, what is a Notebook LM? A notebook LM helps you understand concepts and also to produce learning materials, okay? Various type of learning materials like video, PowerPoint slide, or maybe an audio or for your podcast or something like that, or to help you understand some concepts a little more easier, okay? So if you're a teacher, this tool will be very helpful for you. Okay. So to utilize the Notebook LM, all you have to do is again you have to go to the Notebook LM, and you have to go to create your first Notebook LM. All you have to do is to create this button here, create new notebook. All right. So you click on this one, and it should let you have something like this. Okay, so with the Notebook LM you can actually have you can use this, or you can use different type of resources, like for example if you have a PowerPoint slides, if you have PDF files or any document that you have, okay, that you created, or maybe that you have something, you can upload it like so, and you can put it in the Notebook LM. Or if you have websites like so, all right, you can paste the link here. So let me just give you an example. So here I opened my previous videos in the EdTech Explorer. So let's say for example I'll be choosing these videos here. Okay, so let me put it here. Okay, let me paste the link. Okay, I'll just and then I'll add another link like so. For example, this one, and then I'll paste it here again, and then here's another one. I'll just get this link, and another, and then lastly I'll also get this one. So if you notice, I utilized four videos. This one, video 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 videos here, YouTube videos, and then I will just simply click insert so that the Notebook LM will start processing it, as you can see here. And then here in the middle, you'll be able to see the summarized, or at least how the Notebook LM understood or analyzed these videos. As you can see here, the provided sources from the edX for YouTube channel offer practical tutorials on utilizing various digital productivity and educational tools. So this is how the Notebook LM have interpreted or analyzed these videos. Okay, and of course you can also type here, just like if you're using Gemini or other AI tools, you can type your prompts here, all right, if you want to. But what I really want to share to you is in this part here, the studio part. So as you can see here, you have audio overview, slide deck, video, up until here, data table. So like I said earlier, if you're a teacher and you want to create various type of learning materials for your students that you can upload to your learning management system, this is one of the best tools that you can actually utilize. So if you want to create a slide deck or a PowerPoint slide for your students based on these topics or these resources over here, all you have to do is just to click on this slide deck here, left click on that, and then of course the Notebook LM will start generating it here like so. And of course, if you want to have a mind map, you can also click on this mind map here so that the Notebook LM can start generating the mind map of these materials here. And of course, let's try to click everything here. Video overview. So this one is a video overview. If you you can read the instructions here. Okay, so by default it's already okay, but if you want to further check, no, if you want to make it an explainer or a brief, and you want to choose a visual style here, you can do the editing if you want to. So you can explore this later, but for this video, I will just use the default. So I just click generate, like so, and it will be generating it here already. And of course, you can create flashcards for review. And if you're a student, okay, if you're a student, you can also use the Notebook LM to review your lessons, because there's also, aside from the learning materials, other forms of materials here. You can also create a quiz out of it. No? Based on these resources, it will create a quiz questions wherein it will allow you to check on the information or details that you have studied, okay? So it can help you review your learning materials given by your teacher, of course. Now, as you can see, there's a finished product here. So if you're going to click this one, here is an example of the mind map that was created in the Notebook LM. So as you can see, I said it's an EdTech Explorer tutorials, and these are the titles. If I will click on this one, these are the different mind maps or links. So if I will click on this one, you will be able to see that this is the concepts that being talked about in this each area. Now let me just show you a finished product that I created earlier. Okay. Now I have resources here like so, and these are the resources that was generated earlier. So one of my favorite actually is the audio file, because in the audio file you can do something like this. So if I will click this one, interactive mode, if I click this, let me click on that, it will give you an audio file that you can actually listen to. Okay, so let me just play this.
You know that feeling, right? It is, it's late.
Oh, yeah.
The coffee is completely worn off. You have a deadline looming over you.
Right.
And you're...
So please observe that it's an audio. It's like a podcast, all right? Now, I will play it again, but this is what I want you to observe. I can actually interact with the audio. So let's try. Let me click on this.
We're just staring at the screen.
Staring at a blinking cursor.
And
but here's the really frustrating
And then this time I will click the join button here so that I can ask a question on that learning material, and it will provide me answers. So please watch carefully.
You aren't even doing the actual work you were...
Oh, hey, welcome. What's up?
Hi, can you tell me about Gemini lesson plans?
Absolutely. That is actually where we were planning to start our deep dive today.
Thanks for chiming in. It is the newest, shiniest tool, so it makes sense that you want to talk about it first.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, the Gemini lesson plan tool is an amazing example of AI tackling that admin
All
task.
right, so that's how you can utilize the audio overview, or it's like a podcast audio, but you can actually interact with the audio. So this is one of the reasons why this is my favorite AI tool. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. And then if you want to go back to the other materials, all you have to do is just to look for the studio button, left click on that, and you can proceed with the other materials here. For example, here, let me click on this EdTech Productivity Accelerator. So if I click on this one, and it should provide you, so of course it depends on how fast your internet connection is and how complicated the learning materials. It should load anytime soon. Okay, so let's just wait. So it's here. So this is the slides. Okay, so if we're going to play this, there you go. If you need to present this to your students, you can already have a pre-made a PowerPoint presentation, okay, that you can present to your students, and then you can use it to discuss it during your class time, or maybe during their time, no? During their self-paced learning. Now here's another one. This is actually a video. Here I will play this. So watch closely. This is a video created by NotebookLM, and this is based on the materials, learning materials that was placed here. Okay, so let me play this.
If you're an educator, you already know your plate is always full. So today, we're going to dive
There
in.
you go. So this is very useful if you want to create various type of learning materials for your students and you don't have time, but you have the resources. You can use the NotebookLM to share this to your students and allow them to utilize it. All you have to do is just to click this share button here, and then you can already allow them to utilize this one. So here in the access, notebook access, you can have it anyone with the link or in public. So if you're familiar in using Google application, sharing Google applications with your colleagues, so this is very simple. Now just take note. If you're using a Google, if you're using a Edu Plus subscription or an account, for example, you're using an institutional Google account, unfortunately, you can only share the Notebook LM within your organization. So if you want to utilize the Notebook LM publicly, I would suggest that you use your personal account, your personal Google account, so that anyone can access your Notebook LM for as long as you have shared it, and of course you have changed the notebook access. But again, if you're using your institutional account, meaning your subscription or your paid Google accounts, then you're going to use it for your Notebook LM. It can only be accessed within that organization. All right. So I hope this is very helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to the EdTech Explorer. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.